Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Next you have to go to the display section. And here you have this eye comfort, which is basically just in night mode on this device. You can also change its temperature here. And that's it. That's all the options for this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.